everyone, welcome to River Thames Nature Diary. My name is Priya and it's lovely to have you with me. The rain has cleared and it feels very fresh at the river. What strikes me is how wonderfully in bloom everything is. It feels as if summer really is here now. This week we will be catching up with the Canada Geese Goslings, watching a sweet robin redbreast fledgling, and looking at some of the really beautiful roses and flowers that are appearing this summer in the gardens along the river. But first we're going to have a look at the sweetest Cootling, and the first thing I notice about him is how wonderfully adapted his large feet are, allowing him to stand on little craggy outlets, but also to swim underwater with his feet. He seems to have just the right combination of large long toes to grab, almost perch, and also fleshy lobes to help him swim. I love his little squeaks and also love just watching him being fed by his parents. I left the Coot family and I walked along the river where I spotted a robin in one of the gardens. He was looking for food for a fledgling robin that was perched on a chair nearby. And I wandered away from the robins, and only a few gardens down, I came across a Canada Geese family. It certainly looked like the family of Goslings that I had previously filmed on the shore of the river, except for that this family has 6 goslings rather than the 4. Is it the same family? They certainly look the right age, but I just can't be sure. And as I left the river for the day and made my way back home, I spotted that the house martins were still busy building and repairing their nests with mud from the riverbank. So I hope you've enjoyed this diary entry, and if you have, please like and subscribe to my channel. I also love reading your comments, so please let me know what's going on in your part of the world. It's always lovely to hear from you. I do hope you'll join me again next week, where we'll be catching up again with the Egyptian geese gosling and lots more.